So we're taking a break for one moment. We're going to go with the 66. The Ford. Over here. This is the Mustang.
Oh, cool, yeah.
And then there's the 66, and we'll transition over here. Perfect timing. And we'll just shove it in there. The V10. Very popular. A fun car.
Very fun. It's perfect. You have the Audi exclusive.
Gonna get some shots of the interior. This is the R8.
With the stock? You see the headliner too? Oh, I didn't see that. The whole headliner is done. Does it have the? No. No, this is my first time seeing that car. Look around, man. I know.
We're just gonna grab some with the GoPro. This is 66. So fly around. I've seen this car before. And yes, something's rolling in the background. So come over here. Oh, look. This is 71. Oh, he's getting parked. Yeah, there it is. Grab it. Well, we're doing a quick grab. We'll go ahead and double nickel. And we'll fly over here. Grab the Nova. Over here. '68.
It's not real, David.
Got a 1956. There's an Oldsmobile. Rocket 88. Got Judges out here. The Eldorado. Cadillac. It's pretty clean. A little windy, so we'll see. So we spent an hour already in this little section, so I'm just gonna fly through here and kind of do some quick grabs on some of this stuff, get what I can.
I almost went to jail the last day I owned it. I just picked it up and
I talked to the owner on this one. He was telling me about how he didn't like the way the spoiler, the active spoiler, was on there, carbon fiber. So he had the spoiler removed, the stock spoiler was removed, but one of the functions of that spoiler was to bring air in. So he's had these other air vents installed. Here's the interior. On that, the Aventador. And he had this spoiler put on there. With the carbon fiber. Hopefully the live music won't give us a copy strike. This is 76 on the windshield. Butler Performance is on the back. Mad Dog Car Club is here. Whoop. 55. Got some details in the trunk here. And on to the next, if we can get everything. And there's the shot. I know the sun is on the other side, but we're just gonna grab. We're gonna keep moving. So we have there's too much to see and not enough time. Oh, please get out of your way. Photographers get shots. Buick. Last but not least. Last but not least. This is the interior on Jesse's Performance Trans Am that they have out here. This thing is crazy. Please do not touch. It's a sticker on the window. Please do not touch. 1, 2.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, it's all these hot rods.
Oh, look at this.
She did it, she walked away, she was up there for myself, I'll look down.
Oh, wait a minute, I know this.
I didn't feel it because I turned black, you know?
I know this.
And they make a panel that goes over it. Who wants to put that on there?
All right. We don't have time to get it all. I'm even running down the battery on the GoPro, and I don't know that I have the backup. I have a backup GoPro. Oh goodness. Look what they did. Look what they did to this. Over here. It's Connor's Car Show. There's too much. There's too much. You can't get it. I'm trying to do quick grabs. The goal is to get everything. I don't have time for everything, but get what I can. The 2005, 2008. Oh, look at that. Maybe we have to stop now. The 58 Triumph from 58. Let's get it from the back. Listed as a 34. 71 Chevelle SS. Please do not touch in the windshield. Oh, it's a race car. Racing seats. The bar. The 2005. Oh, this is the, I know what this is. The AMG, the 55K. It's not a Chrysler. It's listed as a 76. The Stingray. Get it from the back. We're just gonna grab as much as we can. 71. Get it from the back. There it is.
All three of these belong to me and my buddies.
Oh, right on. So this and the other two belong to the same individuals. This is clean. This is really good. Oh, look at that. Z28 with the roll cage.
No, I got stuff. Now that I know where you're at again. Yeah, we're on the Google. Okay, I couldn't think of the name. Yeah.
Cobra.
Very nice.
I'm gonna grab this with the GoPro. What year?
21.
21. Oh my goodness. This is, thank you. This is the GT500. The 2021, the GT500. And we move on. We have a row of square bodies. This is just how we have to do it because of time. We got about 10 minutes. So, sorry if I'm not showing you guys love, but it's not personal. I need to see something like this. '66 Nova. I feel like I've shot this before.
We're gonna change it.
This and then that DFW Elite. So I did a car spotting on this car a while back where I had stopped for a limo and then I saw this. So now I get to get it. Okay, it's just about time. This is the dark side Charger. 392 on the Daytona. That's pretty killer.
Yeah, it's quiet. I was thinking about putting duals on it because there's nothing that sounds better than a flathead with dual exhausts.
You're right, you do.
I seen that little bitty carburetor beats that big ass engine.
Isn't that funny? You know, when I pulled it out, I had
one barrel.
yeah, the crankshaft.
Just grabbing everything I can quick. I know I'm kind of mulling over some stuff, but I just don't have time. 66. Another Cobra. Another Cobra. The day has been long. We're just about finished. People are already starting to pull away. Cars are starting and they're driving away now, so. The 81. Come see these guys. They come out all the time. It's a whole crew. We'll get them. This is a 2021 Vanderhaal. It's 2018. That's the 2019.